Embark on a journey of profound self-discovery with divine feminine and masculine balance, the Spiritual Handbook. This remarkable book, penned by Robert Anderson, Love Wins, the author of Quantum Consciousness, acts as a guiding light to empowerment. Its dynamic format, practical exercises, and relatable anecdotes are meticulously designed to resonate universally. The crux of the book is the divine balance between the feminine and masculine energies, a balance that is vital for the future of our planet. This balance is not just a concept, but a vibration, a frequency that our world needs to tune into. Robert Anderson, Love Wins' writing style masterfully interweaves elements of positivity, compassion, and resilience. As the author of Quantum Consciousness, his fervor for transformation reverberates throughout the pages, inspiring not only personal growth, but also hinting at a much-needed shift in our global consciousness. Knowledge is power, and this book is a powerhouse of wisdom. Experience a narrative that is as enlightening as it is moving. This handbook is an essential companion for those on the journey towards understanding and harnessing the power of divine energies. And the icing on the cake? Just like water, droplets coming together to form a wave. As we move into unity, we gain more strength. Dive into the divine feminine and masculine balance, the Spiritual Handbook, brought to you by Robert Anderson. Love Wins, the author of Quantum Consciousness and Surface with a renewed perspective and an empowered vision for a balanced future. What are yours today, without delay?